Hello again, Professor Drake Starr here on this very special edition of Nashville Nature with my co-host today, Miss Sarah Starr. We have stumbled upon an amazing find here in our backyard. See our house, Miss Sarah, me, our backyard here in Nashville, Tennessee. We have stumbled upon an outrageous find. A turtle. Yes, a common snapping turtle. I cannot get too close as this is very dangerous. You can see the turtle, its shell, its tail, and look here, its head. The turtle has sensed that I'm near. It's pulling its head back. As the turtle gets scared, it goes inside of its shell. I'm now between the turtle and its natural habitat, the creek. I cannot make the turtle move as I do not want to get bit. But this is quite the find here in our backyard. An American snapping turtle. Wow. Look at its eyes. They're closed. You can see the shell there, looks like a big rock. The tail, similar to that of its ancestor, the Triceratops. Oh yes, the American snapping turtle here on this edition of Nashville Nature.